Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python programming fast. First, ensure you have Python 3 installed on your computer, along with a good code editor. Next, focus on understanding the fundamental building blocks of the language. This includes variables, different data types like integers and strings, and control flow structures such as if-else statements and loops. Consistent daily practice is crucial for developing muscle memory and solidifying your understanding. To accelerate your learning, start building small projects as soon as you grasp the basics. This hands-on approach helps solidify concepts much faster than just reading. When you encounter errors, which you will, use online resources like Stack Overflow to find solutions and learn from others. Finally, connect with other learners or join a programming community. Sharing knowledge and collaborating can significantly boost your progress. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide on learning Python fast helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give the video a like. On another note, while you're busy coding, make sure your feet are comfortable. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. You can find the link for these amazing socks and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once comfortable with the fundamentals, delve into intermediate concepts like object-oriented programming and essential Python libraries such as Pandas or NumPy. Next, consider specializing in an area that excites you, whether it's web development with Django or Flask, or data science and machine learning. Building a portfolio of diverse projects in your chosen field is key to demonstrating your capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.